Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford F-150 Super Crew. It's a 4x4 eco boost. Got your chrome tow hooks up front, your fog lights, your LED headlights. You also have your chrome rims. Backup camera right there, your tow package. You have an awesome liner. It's the tough bed. It does have the FX4 package and the power sliding rear window. The running boards. Go and take you for a tour of the interior. There's your power supply. So you have a ton of room back here. Leather seats. There's your VIN right there. These are Catskin brand leather seats. See right there that you have 8,039 miles on this vehicle. I'm going to come over here and turn this down a bit. So this is obviously your comfort center. You also have your heated seats for your front seats up here. Then here's your entertainment center, 2- and 4-wheel drive toggle. You also have over here your cruise control and your interface right here to where we can change these around. Okay, and then you also have your stereo interface and your push to talk. Come down here, you have your trailer sway control, you have your power supplies and your cup holders, a ton of stowage, and more power supplies and more stowage. Ford has really understood that everybody wants more power supplies and more places to put stuff in their trucks. So it does have nav. See if I can get it to, I apologize, I'm apparently pushing the wrong one. There we go. I'm just trying to connect to my phone. We don't want that. Let's jump over to audio so that you can see the options that it has. AM, FM, and Sirius XM and Bluetooth. Then here's your phone connection as well. Navigation, which we already saw, and then the other apps that are available as Sirius XM Travel Link. And then your other vehicle settings with Ford Pass, your clock, your voice control, valet mode, and all that kind of fun stuff. Your door keypad, I use mine in my F-150 all the time. And there's your camera settings, your let's see, I wanted to show you this massive sunroof. It spans not only the front seat, but the back seat as well. So, very cool. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an accident that resulted in damage up front, which turned out to just be cosmetic. So we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.